Hello friends, myself Pushkar Malakar. Welcome to my channel Financial Appetite. Please stay on the video and subscribe my channel and also click on the bell button to get every updates. Today we are discussing a very important topic, the betterment of your future. Yes friends, today our topic is needs of financial investment. Firstly, we have to understand friends, what is financial investment? Investment is the allocation of money, or you can say your accumulated savings, which creates a benefit for future. And the benefit from future, a benefit from an investment is called a return. Suppose you have invested 1 lakh rupees to purchase a company share, and after 1 year it becomes 1,40,000. That means 40,000 is your return, or in terms of percentage you can say 40% is your return. Why investment is so necessary? The benefit which is called return, you can create a surplus income from it, you can minimize your future unforeseen risk, you can create a huge wealth for your future also. Friends, we will discuss what are the types of investment. In India, basically there are 5 types of investment. Number 1, securities, which includes shares, bonds, debentures, mutual funds, government securities, etc. It is not possible to cover all the segments in one video. I'll discuss about all the segments in my upcoming videos. So please stay on the video. Second type of investment is deposits. In deposits there includes bank deposits, NBFC deposits. NBFC deposits means non-banking financial company. But in India, bank deposits are much more popular. Thirdly is postals. In postals, there is MIS, monthly income scheme, NSS, National Savings Scheme, Vikas Patras, PPF, Public Provident Fund, etc. Fourthly, insurance. In insurance, there is life insurance policy, Mediclaim, etc. And last but not least is real assets. In real assets, you can purchase real estates, buying precious metals and buying art and antiques. We will discuss when and how to start with this. Friends, there is no age limit to start for an investment. That means every age brackets are eligible for that. This question is that how to start for an investment. Before starting this, you have to fix up a specific goal, which is known as a financial goal. We lead our life with a linear equation, that is income minus expense equal to savings. That means your savings varies as your expense varies. Consider the equation income minus savings equal to expense. That means you try to fix up your savings, you try to fix up your allocated money to fulfill your future goals and ready for an investment. Friends, we will discuss the most important part of this topic, that is the power of financial investment. To understand this, I am sharing a well-known investment reality. In 1880, one purchased 100 shares of Wipro, 100 rupees each. That means his total investment is 10k. Can you guess what is the investment value in 2020? You can check it Google also. The investment value in 2020 is more than 700 crore. Means in 40 years, the person's 10k becomes 700 crore. This is the power of financial investment in long term. Last but not least, why this is the right time to invest. Due to COVID-19, friends, not only India, worldwide recession has come. Every investment value was depreciated more than 30 to 40%. Nothing is permanent. This COVID is also not, and we will regain from it. There is a scope. It creates a huge investment opportunity as investment is more cheaper than before. More likely we will not see such type of miseries or pandemic in coming 20 years. Hence, these 20 years might be yours to grow your investment, to create your wealth for your future. Please feel free to send your queries, mention in description details. And friends, please stay home, stay invested and stay safe. Thank you.